Let's continue discussing nuclear power plant. In the last discussion, we looked at the fabrication of fuel rods. Now, fabricated fuel rod will be placed inside the nuclear reactor. This nuclear reactor. Now let's look at specific parts of the nuclear power plant. One of that is the nuclear reactor, which is a device that contains fissionable material in sufficient quantity. It is arranged to be capable of maintaining a controlled, self-sustaining nuclear fission chain reaction. There are three major types of nuclear reactor: the burners, breeders, and converters. Burners commonly use uranium enriched in uranium-235 and some type of moderator. When I say moderator, that is a specific part that slows down the neutron to maintain the chain reaction. This moderator usually is helium or heavy water. We also have the breeders. Breeders are designed to produce more fuel than being consumed and can run even without the moderators. And last, we have the converter. The next part is the control rod. Control rods are made of a material. We also have steam generators. Steam generators. We also have the steam turbine. This is a mechanical device that extracts thermal energy from pressurized steam and converts it into useful mechanical energy. Next part is the condenser. That is a device or unit which is used to condense vapor into the liquid water. We also have the feed pump that is used to recirculate the condensed steam for the next cycle of operation. Another is the cooling tower. That is a heat removal. Now, what are the advantages of using nuclear power plant? Number one, it is clean. If we're going to compare the carbon profiles, that means the production of carbon dioxide, we'll see that coal plant would produce around 2,200 pounds, while the average natural gas plant would produce 1,100 pounds, while for nuclear power plants, it's only zero. So that means this nuclear power plant is relatively clean because we all know that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that would trap heat causing the global warming. We also have plentiful supply of these nuclear fuels because for every nuclear reaction you only need few amounts of the fuel. Therefore, we still have a plenty supply of these resources. We also have high energy content in uranium. On the other hand, we also have disadvantages in putting up a nuclear power plant. Number one is the construction costs. Nuclear power plant ranks the highest in terms of the cost of construction. Number two is the radioactive waste byproduct that also affects the public perception. How is the radioactive waste being stored or disposed?